Thank you, guys. You were correct for most structures except for the transverse sinuses down here more. So let's fast forward to the end of your video. So this is the transverse sinus right there. So you're pointing a little bit high on it. So you guys are telling me you don't like all these little pieces of spaghetti that they're calling nerves. This model is so much more clear than those other vascular heads, but yeah, you're right. If it wasn't labeled between the oculomotor and the vestibular cochlear, it would be like, what the heck? But there's the abducens hiding down there. But yeah, I'll ask you something meaty like the olfactory, which is on the bottom of all our brains, or the trigeminal, or the optic, or the vestibulocochlear down here, just something very obvious. Or if I can make it clear going through the hypoglossal canal, I'd ask that. But yeah, that is challenging. And I guess that brain was not the same as this brain. So this brain itself costs $1,500, I think, or something outrageous like this. So you guys are pointing, I think, to number 2, which is a structure that we are not dealing with. It's a structure called the septum pellucidum. And that is basically some connective tissue. The lateral ventricles are on the other side of it. But to get the insular lobe, you actually have to take the top part of that brain off, and this is the insular lobe right there. So that's the insular lobe. But again, I don't think that brain came apart this way. I thought it did, but sorry about that. But the rest of it looked great. Thank you very much. Have a good day.